The students begin their hands-on learning at Augustana from their first week on campus because their biology and chemistry labs all have laboratory portions where they actually work in the lab, and it gets to be more and more as they go through the program.
We went out in the field multiple times a week and collected soil cores and went into the lab and then analyzed them. And there was also a lot of invasive species control. And being able to learn about ecology in the classroom is not quite as the same as being able to apply it in the field.
I have summer research students who get paid to work in my laboratory. We have several different paid research internships. It's a wonderful time in the summertime to be an Augustana student because you come in, you work in the lab, you apply what you've learned in your classes to authentic research. But in addition, the faculty in the biology department are trying to blur the lines between research and teaching. And we really want to incorporate authentic, hands-on research into our course curriculum.
And what we've really tried to do at Augie, especially over the last 10 to 15 years, is to make that process a part of the curriculum. And so first and foremost, it's all about doing research. It's doing primary research with faculty as an undergraduate to really become that scientist. I cannot train you to be a better scientist than when I'm having you be one.
We're in the process now of becoming PULSE certified, which means that there's a group of people around the nation that are attempting to make biology more active learning, and so include more active learning into their classrooms, and we're part of that movement.
Our undergraduates are doing fantastic things in the laboratory. They are publishing in peer-reviewed journals, high-level peer-reviewed journals. They're going to conferences, international and national conferences, and presenting their work. All of the posters that you will see lining the walls of the GSC are made by students. And those projects have been done by our students.
Of course, our research during the summertime and during the academic year is really the ultimate hands-on learning for those who are interested in going on in science. But in Sioux Falls, we have the whole city of Sioux Falls as our laboratory for students to do internships, work in healthcare jobs, work in the laboratories at Sanford Research and Avera, work in the biotech companies. There's no end to the hands-on learning that is available in Sioux Falls.
I think what is distinctive is the hands-on experience that is synonymous with the major, and all the great opportunities we have for research, for getting out into the healthcare profession in the greater Sioux Falls area, working in labs, working closely with professors.
And I don't think that there's any better way to learn than having to jump into something kind of without a life jacket, to be honest. But it went really well and we all learned a ton.
And also the curiosity that gets sparked in with us. The professors really challenge us and challenge us to think and to keep thinking and question.